Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful day? Just here, just trying out our new software, man. So excited of being able to help people, being able to help reduce this debt, and being able to help get people into their dream house and their cars, or help them start a business. It's always been a dream of mine to be able to help people, be the helping hand that I was lacking when I was growing up, and wish very big because of the abilities of what we could do. But so here is a sample of how it looks. So once we upload your credit reports, it's gonna be here. So you're gonna be able to track how much is being reported, how much it goes up, what has been done, what documents we have, what have been signed. But what I wanted to show you guys, look how quick we were able to do disputes. Boom. Let's go letter dispute. Now we have round one, a basic, and then round two. Because we hit them with that right two punch, connect. So let's do real quick. Let's do 4444. Because each credit report, when we receive them, has a number. Okay, so let's see. As you can tell, we're just making things up. Okay, now we go next. Hold on. Okay, so boom. Now we're reporting from where do you want to remove stuff from? Or you want to do all three of them? Who do you want to remove? Let's say you want to remove Bank of America for a credit card or for a mortgage. Boom. Okay, the account number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Why are we going to dispute it? Well, we're going to dispute it for identity theft. Boom. Done. Anything else? Okay. Here's okay. Choosing this too. Please choose correct. Please. Okay. No. So here we're telling them what we want. Please remove this inaccurate from my credit. Boom. Done. Boom. It's already in here. Let's add another one. Let's say we have to remove a let's see, an American Express because your wife likes to go shopping and she overspend a lot, or your boyfriend wanted to go buy some tools. So let's go to numbers. We're disputing this one because we want this one to validate. Well, let's do this one for mistaken identity and not authorized. What do you want them to do here? Please remove inaccurate information from my credit report. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now we do this. This. We get those two. Boom. Now we have you three letters with all these accounts ready for you to sign. That's the reason why we're able to help you move so much off your credit report so quick and so fast. So if you're interested, hit me up. I'll take care of you. Let's take care. We'll work with you either in the full packages, individual packages, our credit building startup packages. We have all this stuff that we're here to help you out. So send me a message and I'll hit you guys up. Bye.